to head from Southeast Asia back to the States. We're going to bring up Brianna, the CEO and founder of Journey Foods from Chicago. Come on up, Brianna.
All right, happy to be here. Good evening. How's everyone feeling? Good, good. Excited for the drinks and food coming up? Well, my name is Brianna Lynn. I am the CEO of Journey Foods, where we bring artificial intelligence to software to help companies significantly improve the way they make food. Now today, most of the food we eat just doesn't cut it. We know this, but it's a hard challenge. In an industry struggling to evolve, consumers, us, we spend $3 trillion a year on snack foods. And we know with increasing evidence that snack foods are related to some of the highest causes of chronic disease across the globe: obesity, diabetes, heart disease, cancer. And you know, everyone in this room really loves a snack, but they don't really bring us the nutrition that we need. And we believe food technology is largely to blame. So companies are faced with a big challenge now. They ask, how do we make products that are healthy, but that do not waste our time or our money? And let's see what's happening with that. What's astounding is actually that for every 37,000 people on this globe, there's only one food scientist. And so we're facing a lot of barriers as we try to develop better food. A lack of focus on nutrition, wasted time and money, and very little insights. This is largely related to the digitalization and the data behind our food. And so we believe we have a solution. We call that Nutrition 3.0. It is data-driven, it is nutrient-focused, as well as cost-focused. And let me show you what we built around Nutrition 3.0. It is a subscription portal at journeyfoods.io that helps companies gather insights about their product portfolios instantly. So companies like Good Bars or even our friends at Future Foods can gather insights around the nutrition and details of their product portfolio instantaneously. They're able to track their ingredients immediately. And soon, I know a lot of you fintech folks in the room are going to be excited about this, but we're launching cost trends for our customers, so they're able to understand how their ingredients are changing in a real-time feed. Super exciting stuff. And behind this portal is over 20 million data points, gathering insights from over 400,000 ingredients almost every second. We really believe that we have the best approach to disrupting data services in the food industry. Our competitors are giving companies lists of the next Instagram trends. That's not sustainable. We need to focus on real solutions. And what's exciting is the reality of our products. We are building the fruits of our own data. Available across the US are Journey Bites. You probably tried some of our pomegranate ones a little bit earlier. And soon to be launching in Hong Kong later this year. We're really understanding how to build our machine learning models with real products. But most of our revenue really comes from software subscriptions, data reports, and access to our dashboard. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a very large addressable market. $288 billion a year spent on R&D and IT in the food industry. So if we take just a very small amount of that market on a yearly basis, in less than 10 years, we're hitting over $300 million in revenue. And so how do we build this? To give you a little background, I have over 10 years of experience scaling some well-known food startups in the US, including Beyond Meat. Also have experience working at the White House and Google. But I'm joined by a great team of food scientists and engineers that have worked with some of the most iconic American brands. We have a great team of advisors that are helping us push forward with resources and growing as fast as possible. Right now, we have 15 pilot customers. We've manufactured over 35 5,000 units and partnered with some of the leading food and technology businesses across the globe. They're really helping us bring more resources to our solution at a faster pace. If we look at it, our pilot customers are spending about $12,000 a year annualized. Our Journey Bites are actually selling pretty well, $27 a month for our B2C customers. Really exciting stuff. We're selling all over the country through Amazon and other partners. We've achieved over $300,000 in revenue to date. So we're seeking $2.8 million in funding so that we can increase our data integrations and also accelerate our customer acquisition. We're really excited for our partnerships and believe that we can really capture the future of becoming a leader of data and a data service provider for the food industry. And so I just want you to take a second to think about healthcare records, maps, directions. When the leaders of these industries really set out for a data push, it changed our lives. And that is why we're bringing Nutrition 3.0 to the food industry, because we really believe that data can help companies catapult the solutions to better food today. And so please think of us as we push for a different direction of food. Join my team, Carol and Glenn, at our table so that we can demo the portal for you and you can try some of our Journey Bites. We are looking forward to launching partnerships with everyone in this room. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you, Rihanna. If you guys don't want to eat every single one of those Journey Bites, I personally will. So feel free to leave me some. They're amazing.